Welcome to the heart of Amsterdam, a city that thrills with its blend of history, culture, and charm. We're standing amid its iconic bridges, but rest assured, there's far more than meets the eye. Today we're going on an adventure to uncover its hidden treasures. We're venturing beyond the well-trodden into tranquil inner courts nestled deep within the city, and underground tunnels whispering tales of secret rendezvous. We'll tempt our taste buds with traditional Dutch delicacies from tucked-away eateries and feed our souls with clandestine art and culture. Our journey promises to lead us to a mysterious door, shrouded in local legends. Each corner of Amsterdam holds a story waiting to be told, a secret waiting to be revealed. So buckle up, prepare yourself for a journey of discovery as we delve into the hidden corners of this captivating city. In the heart of the bustling city, we find the Begijnhof, a tranquil oasis that takes us back in time. As we step into the Begijnhof, a profound sense of serenity washes over us, a stark contrast to the lively city that surrounds us. This is one of Amsterdam's oldest inner courts, a historic haven that has withstood the test of time, standing strong since the 14th century. The Begijnhof was once home to a group of pious women known as the Begijns. They weren't nuns, but they dedicated their lives to helping the sick and the poor, while also committing to a life of prayer. This peaceful place was their sanctuary, and even today, it continues to serve as a residence for single women. As we stroll through the beautiful courtyard, we're surrounded by quaint Dutch houses, their elegant facades whispering stories of a bygone era. The oldest house in Amsterdam, dating back to around 1435, can be found right here, in this tranquil enclave. The heart of the Begijnhof is its chapel, a hidden gem that has witnessed centuries of prayer and devotion. This chapel, with its simple yet profound beauty, stands as a testament to the Begijns' faith and their commitment to service. It's a place where time seems to stand still, inviting visitors to pause, reflect, and soak in the tranquility. But the Begijnhof isn't just about history and serenity. It's also a living, breathing part of Amsterdam, a vibrant community that, despite being a stone's throw away from the city's busiest squares, maintains its quiet charm. In the midst of the city's hustle and bustle, the Begijnhof serves as a serene oasis, a place where the clock hands slow down, offering a glimpse into the city's past while still remaining firmly rooted in the present. It's a testament to Amsterdam's ability to seamlessly blend history with modernity, the old with the new. Leaving the serene Begijnhof behind, we delve deeper into Amsterdam's hidden layers. Beneath the city streets, a maze of tunnels and chambers awaits, whispering tales of ancient Amsterdam. As we descend into the depths, we're not just stepping underground, but traveling back in time. These tunnels carved into the earth were once the veins and arteries of the city, carrying goods, people, and stories from one place to another. The walls, cool and damp, echo with the hustle and bustle of bygone eras. Imagine walking these paths hundreds of years ago, the only light coming from a flickering lantern, casting long shadows on the rough-hewn walls. You're a part of a secret meeting, a clandestine gathering hidden from the prying eyes of the city above. The air is thick with anticipation, and you can almost hear the whispers of plots and plans that once filled these tunnels. But it's not just whispers of intrigue that fill the air. There are tales of hidden treasures too. Stories passed down through generations speak of lost riches, buried deep beneath the city's streets. While we might not stumble upon a chest of golden doubloons, the tunnels themselves are a treasure trove of history and culture. And let's not forget, these tunnels are a testament to Amsterdam's ancient foundations. Beneath our feet, the city's roots spread deep and wide, the lifeblood of the city flowing unseen. This labyrinth reminds us that Amsterdam is not just about the charming canals and picturesque windmills. It's about the layers of history etched into every brick and stone, the stories buried deep beneath the surface. As we leave the tunnels behind, we're not just resurfacing into the modern world. We're stepping from one chapter of Amsterdam's story into another. From the city's deep roots, we resurface to explore its unique culinary delights. The tunnels might be hidden, but they're an integral part of the city's heart, beating quietly beneath the bustling streets. So the next time you're wandering through Amsterdam, remember the tales that lie beneath your feet, waiting to be discovered. Amsterdam's culinary scene is as diverse as the city itself, especially when you step off the beaten path. Our first stop is a restaurant that's not just off the beaten path, it's off the grid. Nestled within an old greenhouse, this eatery serves up a fusion of traditional Dutch cuisine with a modern twist. The atmosphere is just as unique as the menu, with the lush greenery creating a serene dining environment that's a world away from the bustling streets of the city. Next, we venture into the heart of Amsterdam to a hidden bakery that's not even found on Google Maps. Here, we're treated to traditional Dutch snacks, a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage. The scent of freshly baked bread fills the air, while the taste of the snacks is a delightful mix of sweet and savory, a real treat for the taste buds. But what's a meal without a drink to wash it down? Our last stop takes us to a tucked-away microbrewery, a hidden gem known only to locals and the most intrepid of tourists. Here, we're given the chance to sample unique brews, each one telling a different story of the city. From a bold stout that mirrors the city's robust history, to a light lager that captures the lively spirit of Amsterdam. This microbrewery is a testament to the city's innovative spirit and its ability to turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. And that's a wrap on our culinary adventure. An exploration of Amsterdam's hidden eateries. From dining in an old greenhouse, tasting traditional Dutch snacks in a hidden bakery, to sipping unique brews in a tucked-away microbrewery, it's clear that Amsterdam's culinary scene is as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. But the adventure doesn't stop here. After a delightful culinary journey, we shift gears to the city's clandestine art and culture scene. Amsterdam's art scene is vibrant and diverse, and some of its most fascinating treasures are hidden in plain sight. To truly appreciate the city's cultural wealth, you need to venture off the beaten path and into its secret corners. This is where we find ourselves today, on a clandestine journey into Amsterdam's hidden art and culture. Our first stop is an unexpected one, an art gallery nestled in a local's basement. Descending the steps, we're greeted by a world of color and creativity. The walls are adorned with captivating works, each piece telling a story, each brushstroke a testament to the city's artistic spirit. Here, emerging artists find a platform, their creations capturing the essence of Amsterdam's ever-evolving cultural landscape. It's a place where art is not just seen but felt, a testament to the city's thriving creative pulse. But the surprises don't stop there. As the sun sets, we find ourselves drawn towards an undisclosed location, the venue for a secret pop-up performance. There's an air of anticipation, a buzz of excitement as locals gather, ready to be enthralled by the city's musical talent. The performance begins, and we're instantly swept up in the rhythm. The harmonious blend of traditional Dutch tunes with contemporary beats is a revelation, a symphony of sound that encapsulates the city's rich musical heritage and its modern influences. It's an intimate experience, a shared connection with the performers and the audience that makes the music even more enchanting. And so, our journey through Amsterdam's hidden art and culture draws to a close. We've explored a clandestine gallery, been part of a secret performance, and along the way, we've experienced the city's pulsating creative heart. It's these hidden gems, these unexpected discoveries that truly define Amsterdam's cultural identity. Our journey of art and culture concludes, but one mystery remains unsolved. Join us as we continue to delve into the secrets of this captivating city. In the heart of Amsterdam lies a mysterious door that, according to local lore, has never been opened. Nestled between two unassuming buildings, it's an enigma that has piqued the curiosity of many. The locals have a treasure trove of theories, each more fascinating than the last. Some whisper of a hidden treasure, others speak of a secret passage, while a few suggest it's merely a forgotten storage room. The door remains tight-lipped, not revealing any of its secrets. We've spoken to a few locals today, each offering their own unique speculations and legends. One elderly gentleman claims it's an entrance to the city's old underground network, while a young girl insists it's where the city's lost bicycles end up. As we stand here before this silent sentinel of stories untold, the mystery only deepens. As the mystery of the locked door lingers, we conclude our exploration of hidden Amsterdam.